Unit 1 State funds, including funding schemes regarding the establishment further development of business operations through national programs. Funding programs and schemes are extremely important for an FDI advisor as they aim to facilitate all interested citizens in identifying the appropriate funding opportunity under European programs and funds or national funds, so as to realize a project, an idea or a proposal. Therefore, the knowledge of the different and various programs and the range of beneficiaries are essential for an FDI advisor. In the following unit, we will explore the various state funds, so as to realize a project, an idea or a proposal, and the important parameters of fundraising. The national grant schemes are designed and approved at national level and are funded solely by national funds. The aim of these projects is the implementation of various state policies and priorities, for example strengthening employment, promotion of tourism, etc. The implementation and management of these projects are taking place exclusively in Cyprus, under the responsibility of the relevant ministries' agencies of the broader public sector. The programs can be divided into the following thematic categories. 1. Programs of the Ministry of Agriculture, Rural Development and Environment, national grant schemes concerning the areas of agriculture, rural development, environment and climate change. 2. Programs of the Cyprus Tourism Organization, national grant schemes concerning the tourism area. 3. Programs of the Ministry of Education and Culture, national grant schemes concerning the areas of education, training, culture, the audiovisual sector, media etc. 4. Programs of the Ministry of Energy, Commerce, Industry and Tourism, national grant schemes concerning the areas of energy, commerce, industry, land development, small-medium enterprises and competitiveness, telecommunications research, technological development and innovation etc. 5. Programs of the Ministry of Finance, national grant schemes concerning the areas of economy finances. 6. Programs of the Ministry of Interior, national grant schemes concerning the areas of social affairs and human rights, regional development, rehabilitation of architectural heritage etc. 7. Programs of the Ministry of Labour, Welfare and Social Insurance, national grant schemes concerning the areas of education, training, employment etc. 8. Programs of the Youth Board of Cyprus, national grant schemes concerning the areas of youth and culture. 9. Research Promotion Foundation, RPF, programs, national grant schemes concerning the areas of research, technological development and innovation. If you are interested in finding more information for funding opportunities, you can visit the following portal, which is a central point for all programs and calls for proposals, both at European and national level. Information portal for European and other funding programs. The portal for funding programs has been created with the aim to facilitate all interested citizens in identifying the appropriate funding opportunity under European programs and funds or national funds, so as to realize a project, an idea or a proposal. The different programs cover a wide range of beneficiaries. The applicant could be an employee, an unemployed person, an NGO, an SME, a local authority, a research center, an educational institution, a public sector entity, etc. Through the portal, you can be directly informed about the publication of new funding programs and calls in the area of your interest, such as employment, competitiveness, energy and environment, education, culture, research, youth, rural development etc. Also, the portal can facilitate your search for partner organizations for cooperating in submitting a proposal, where this is required by the terms of the programs. In addition, through the portal, you can be linked to the more specialized websites, where you will find more information and documentation on the specific programs calls and on the competent contact points that can provide you with more detailed information for each call. The portal aspires to function as a first stop and a central information point for all programs funded by European and/or national funds. The objective of the portal is to facilitate citizens in identifying the appropriate funding opportunities from the European and national programs and schemes, as well as to facilitate a comprehensive and direct dissemination of information in relation to the programs and the calls for proposals. The ultimate goal is the greatest possible utilization of available resources from European and national funds, which is expected to stimulate growth and job creation. Funding programs example. What advice is necessary when developing a first funding strategy? Ideally, a strategy should cover all areas of potential fundraising for reference. Not everything can be progressed in the same timelines. Therefore, it is more effective to try and cover as many areas of prospective funding programs as possible. Also, another key point is the presentation of the organization's products. From a simple leaflet to an elaborate website, these are the things that speak and convey the values of the organization business and which the potential supporter will review. You should pay attention to the small details, as these are the ones that will make all the difference to your case. You should dare to apply for funding opportunities. You should search for the available funding opportunities. Different programs cover a wide range of beneficiaries and projects.